Good morning to all of you. Yesterday's class we learned relative pronoun, placement of the relative pronoun and the omission of the relative pronoun. Dear students, today we will do the exercise which is on the page number 26. Fill in the blanks with the appropriate relative pronoun and identify their antecedents. It is possible that some sentences may not have an antecedent. Write no antecedent for these sentences. So the first sentence is all the teachers dash were asked to be at the meeting attended it. Okay? In this blank there is antecedent. And which is antecedent? Which is all teachers. So you have to write all teachers here in this blank, and in the blank you have to write who. Okay, in the blank you have to write who. In the first blank you have to write who, and all the teachers you have to write here because all the teachers are the antecedent. The next blank is I found the box dash you hid the toys in. Okay, the person has hid the toys in one of the box and someone has found it. So here in the second blank which, okay, in the second blank which I found the box which you hid the toys in. Actually in this sentence there is no antecedent, so there is no antecedent you have to write in the second blank. Number 3, the girl blank book I borrowed is my friend. Whose? Okay, number 3, whose. Number 3, whose book I borrowed is my friend. And who is the antecedent here? Girl. Girl is an antecedent. You have to write in the third blank here. Make your answers specific to dash is being asked of you. Okay, in this sentence there is no antecedent. Okay, and in the fourth blank what is being asked of you, and no antecedent you have to write here in this blank. Number 5, try to give more time to. Okay, try to give more time to what? Try to give more time to what you don't understand in maths. Okay, here there is in the number 5th blank there is no antecedent. Okay, no antecedent you have to write here. Number 6, we welcome the students. Okay, we welcome the students dash have volunteered to help. Who have volunteered to help, and who is the antecedent? Students. Okay, students you have to write in the blank students. Okay, next, to dash do you wish to speak? Whom? To whom do you wish to speak? And there is no antecedent, so you have to write no antecedent here. Next is the tickets for the concert dash I want to go to are sold out. Which? Okay, in the last blank you have to write which, and there is antecedent. Who is that? Tickets. Okay, tickets. The spelling tickets you have to write in the last blank. Okay, next is our exercise is on page number 27. Let's practice omit the relative pronouns and rewrite these sentences. Remember to shift the prepositions to the correct positions. Okay, so the first is given here. This is the school to which I went for the inter-school debate. Okay, this is the school to which I went for the inter-school debate. So which is the relative pronoun here? Which. Okay, which is the relative pronoun here? Which is the relative pronoun? We have to remove the which. and change the preposition place. So which is preposition in the sentence? To. To is a preposition. So our sentence will be written like this. This is the school I went to. After went, you have to write to and then you have to continue your sentence. Okay, then you have to continue your sentence. Okay, number two is the man for whom you are looking has already left. The man for whom you are looking has already left. Now, which is the relative pronoun in this sentence? Whom. Whom is a relative pronoun. We have to remove whom. And for is a preposition. We have to change the position of preposition. So, sentence will be written like this. The man you are looking for has already left. The man you are looking for has already left. Number 3. The music that I played in the morning is my favorite. Okay. The music that I played in the morning is my favorite. Now which is the relative pronoun here? That we are going to omit, but the sentence will remain same and we will not change the position of preposition in this sentence. So the sentence will be written like this. The music I played in the morning is my favorite. Okay. Number 4. The book about which you are inquiring is out of print. The book about which you are inquiring is out of print. Now, which is the preposition relative pronoun here? Which. And preposition is about. So, we'll remove the relative pronoun which and we'll rewrite the sentence like this, changing the position of preposition. The book you are inquiring about is out of print. Number 5. The girl to whom I introduced you yesterday is my cousin. Okay. The girl whom. Now whom is a preposition relative pronoun. Okay. Whom is a relative pronoun. We'll omit and sentence will be written like that. The girl I introduced to you yesterday is my cousin. Number 6. This is the best inn at which you may stop on your way. This is the best inn at which you may stop on your way. So, we will omit the relative pronoun which here. Okay. We will omit the relative pronoun which here. This is the best inn you may stop at on your way. You should write the sentence this way. This is the best inn you may stop at on your way. Number 7. Number 7. This is the house in which I lived last year. That is the house in which I lived last year. Here which is the relative pronoun. We'll omit. This is the house I lived in last year. Okay. That is the house I lived in last year. Number 8. I have a meeting with a man whom I hardly know. I have a meeting with a man whom I hardly know. So the sentence will be written like this. I have a meeting with the man I hardly know. The preposition will remain in the same place, just we will omit the relative pronoun. Number 9. Is this the room in which we need to wait? Okay. Is this the room in which we need to wait? So, which we have to omit here. Change the position of preposition, that is in. So, this is the room we need to wait in. This is the way to write. And number 10. Indrani and Sarvani are 2 friends with whom I go to school. So the sentence with is a preposition, whom is a relative pronoun. Indrani and Sarvani are two friends. I go with school. Indrani and Sarvani are two friends. I go with school. So dear students, write down both the exercise in your notebook with good and beautiful handwriting. Have a good day and thank you to all. Have a good day and thank you.